Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are safe and sound and using hand wash, gloves and mask while doing the shopping. Today I bought the haul for this week. So I have done Suave, Oral Care, Cetaphil deal and some surprises also. Even I did not want those things to happen, but it happened, and I'm going to show the deals one by one to you guys. Let's go there. So first deal is on Suave. Suave this week is buy two for $6, but you won't get any extra bucks. So I bought these two Suave men. They were at my store at $6. So I used two Suave CRT. I used $1.50 of Suave men sent to cart, and I used 1.5 Suave. I think it's not from last week insert, but it was expiring I think on that day, but I don't remember the expiration date as well. So that reduces my total to $1. I used my extra bucks and rolled off $1, and then I submitted for Ibotta. That is two for $1 each in my Ibotta, but I have heard that some people are getting $1.50 per for single Suave men. So just look into your account, whichever you have, just submit for that one. Okay, let's go to next deal. Next is Revlon Tool. Revlon Tool is spend 10 get $4 extra bucks. One Revlon eye curl $5.99. Revlon Emery file $5.29. So by surprise, that instant coupon that printed for everyone last week of $5 that was supposed to work on Physician Formula or Elme Cosmetics, but it worked on this Revlon Tool as well. It is connecting with that. I checked on app before doing this deal and it worked perfectly fine. I will show you my receipt in the end. So I used that reduces my total for $6.28. I got back $4 extra bucks, making it $2.28 money for both of them. I think that is decent price because you don't get like curl and emery file for $1.14 each. So that is decent price to do that. Let's go to next one. So next deal is on Crust, and Crust this week is $2.99 each, and when you buy 3 you will get back I think $5 extra bucks. So I did these two. I maxed out this deal. I purchased 2 mouthwash that is on 500 ml. I bought 1 Crust toothpaste, 1 2 count toothbrushes, and I bought 1 kids toothbrush as well. That is also part of it. So be careful whenever you. So I scanned it before doing this deal. So that is also part of this. And then I did the Gillette mint. So I got that for mouthwash. So I used 2 paper coupons for $1 for Crust toothpaste, $1 for mouthwash, and I had $4 of 14 Crust CRT. Then there are 4 coupons on. I'm not sure whether you have it or not, because on my card it was like this: $1 for toothpaste, $1 for mouthwash, $1 for toothbrush. That is for 1 count, but it is working on 2 count as well, and $1 for Gillette manual floss. So that worked out. That completely, because total before coupon was $17.94. Then I used $10 in coupons and CRT. That reduced my total to $7.94. I got back $10 extra bucks, making it $2 money maker. So if you have those things, don't forget to combine them, and that will be helpful. Let's go to next deal. So next is Colgate. Colgate this week toothpaste is $3.49, and when you buy 2 you will get back $4 extra bucks. Toothbrushes are $4.49, and when you buy 2 you will get back $5 extra bucks. So I purchased 2 Colgate Total toothpaste, and I purchased Colgate 2 toothbrushes. One is charcoal and another one 360 as well, and I used 2 Colgate toothpaste CRT because that was attaching only on teeth whitening, I heard. So that's why I did Colgate Total teeth whitening. Then I used $4 of 16 Colgate CRT. I used 2 coupons from coupons.com for Colgate toothbrush, and then I used 2 coupons from Colgate toothpaste from coupons.com as well. That reduces my total to $5.96. I got back $4 for toothpaste and $5 for Colgate toothbrushes. I think I wrote them opposite, but that's what it is. So $9 from extra bucks I got, and that gave me like moneymaker that can work towards Suave $1, or it can work, but I have done one mistake, and then I'm going to discuss that one now. So earlier I was thinking that I shall spend 35, get $10 extra bucks, but the coupon on Cetaphil that we got in this week insert, that did not work. That has some restrictions. I'm not sure how they are calculating and on what things it is working on, but it is not working on like cleanser or something. It was weird. So I had this CRT. I used that on my Cetaphil. This CRT is working on trial and travel size. So you can go ahead, if you have the CRT of $4, go ahead and do this, and then you can get this small bottle for freebie. Let's go to the boba. So Bebo this week again is $6.99, and I heard that it is unadvertised deal and you're getting $6 extra bucks. So I did this deal, but unfortunately I did not get $6 extra bucks. I'm going to show you my receipt right now after this, but I got the Alka-Seltzer gum, that is freebie. You will get instant coupon of 49 cents, and it is working perfectly fine, so I just included that there. But let's go to my receipt for Bebo. So here is my receipt for Bebo. You can see that I used that it was supposed to be $10.99, but it is ringing up $6.99. Then I used extra bucks of $3 and $3 beauty bucks 99 cents. It reduces my total to 31 cents, but I did not get the $6 extra bucks. I think it is regional or something, but it is working only on them. So be careful when you're going for this deal. Then you have to make sure that you get your extra bucks properly. Now let's go to my receipt and we can discuss it there. So here you can see that I bought Suave, Colgate, Crust, Oral-B, Scope, and then Alka-Seltzer, then Revlon Emery, Revlon Ash. So I used $1 for one manufacturer coupon, then $1.50 for that is Suave, then again $1, then Suave Man came, Crust came, Oral-B came, and oh, that is interesting. $5 of cosmetics, that for physician formula and stuff. Colgate, Coral, two Suave here, 49 cents, and then I used those extra bucks. I used $21 in extra bucks. My total was $3.70 as you can see, and my subtotal was only 16 cents. So here are my extra bucks that I got. I got $10 for Crust, $4 for Colgate toothbrushes, $4 for Colgate toothpaste, $5 for Colgate toothbrushes, $4 for Revlon, and I got back. So I spent $21 in extra bucks. I got back $23 in extra bucks, making it $2 moneymaker. Plus, I got back $4 from Ibotta. That makes it $6 moneymaker for this one. That we used on Bebo, so making it 99 cents out of pocket for all those stuff. I hope this video will help you in saving more. I hope you will understand that you should not do Bebo deal. You can pass this deal on this week, and this definitely do the freebies and moneymaker deal. That can help you in saving more for furthers, and I will definitely help you in saving more. Stay tuned. See you next week. Thank you.